Dutch oven box dessert. Collab. I'll tell you who it's with here in a minute. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa Texas. Papa's Kitchen. Sorry, the big W made me that. His link is down below. Right there. Here's the Dutch. So, Calvin's Corner 72 and Strong's Adventures. What we're each going to do, we're going to get whatever cake mix box we want. And then we're going to create our own whatever we want to with it. That's what's so cool. I bet you none of us really follow the ingredients, what it says. Make up your own. Watch mine, watch theirs. Their links will be down below. I'm going to kinda copy Smoking and Grilling with AB. And I change it up a bit because I'm using a peaches. Yeah, we sconched them. Man, sconched them? We blanched them. Yeah, but you know how to blanch, don't you? You heat a bowl of water, put the fresh peach in there, and the skin just falls off of it. Then you slice them up. It's goodness. Melt your 3 tablespoons of butter and then add the dry ingredients. Alright, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. And it's not all going to fit in there. Darn it! Alright, a cup of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon nutmeg. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Alright, there it is, all blended. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm fixing to bring the peaches out, and I'm going to cut this in half. And I'm going to add half at the beginning and stir it in and let it kind of melt. And then I'll add the other half, and we're going to cook this for about 15 minutes. Here's our fresh sliced up peaches that Gigi did, and look at the liquid it created. It created its own liquid. We may not have to put some 7-Up in it. We'll find out. We got some on standby if need be. Alright. What we're going to do, as I said, we're going to put half the seasoning in there, stir it up, heat it up, and then after I see it's blended, I'm going to add the second half. This is about a 15-minute cook. That's all it takes. And then we go over to the other Dutch and we make our cobbler. Alright, so as I said, we're going to take half. Oh, this smells fantastic. Oh, and look at it. Look how juicy it is. Wait till you see the cobbler. Like I said, this exact recipe I have never used before. This is AB's recipe. And I'm also doing a collab with 2 of my buddies. They're linked below and at the end. Alright, I'm going to heat it up. I'll be back in a few minutes when I add the other half. Alright, and we're going to see it bubbling goodness. Don't get it too hot. Don't get it too hot. Alright, now I'm going to add the other half. We're about 4 minutes in, 5 minutes. About 10 more minutes, we'll let this sugar break down. Get it mixed up. Remember, if you're liking this, hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe and watch some more awesome cooks. I've got a cooking playlist down there. Alright, if you're following along, look at it bubbling like that. That's what you want, okay? We have 5 minutes left. I think I'm going to turn it down just a tad. Don't want it to get too saucy. So while they're simmering down, I'm going to show you. Instead of just going and getting a full cake mix, for my cobblers, I just buy the Jiffy Golden Yellow Cake Mix. This is a half a box, you know. I like normally using a box and a half, and I waste half of a cake mix box, so I don't do that anymore. Sometimes I'll buy 1 whole box of cake mix in one of these, but you get you a bunch of these. This is best for camping, man. You get you a whole bunch of these and you make whatever size cobbler you want. And sometimes you just need a little extra and stuff. You open that 4th box, it's no big deal. I'm fixing to show you how I place all this. This is going to cool down a little bit. I'll show you how I place all this and additional things that come on and how to cook it and see the results. And maybe some vanilla ice cream on top. Yeah. Yes, Bubba. That's right. So, I'm not going to preheat my oven for this cook. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. For me, I'm just going to spray a little bit of avocado oil. Look at the goodness. Can you see it? Here's my mix. the first part of it in there. Let's try that again. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to take 1.5 cake mixes. I'll smooth that out in just a minute. Got one more ingredient to add as soon as I get done with this. Cover it all the way around. Alright, now we're just going to smooth it out. That's so. Alright, I'm going to take this stick of real butter and I'm fixing to slice it up and put the little tabs all around it. Some people actually add more cinnamon on top of it. I think it's got enough in it. This is coming out of the refrigerator, so it'll melt as we go. There's my bell. I hear my bell. Did someone just ring it? Get the rest of these and I'll come back and show you all I did. Alright, there she is. We're going to put 10 coals on the bottom, 20 coals on the top. I'm going to turn the bottom a quarter this way every 15 minutes, the top a quarter this way every 15 minutes, and we'll be back in an hour. Open it up, see what it looks like. And if you copy this recipe or make something similar to it, what people are doing is they're taking pictures of a cook they do that's similar to mine, and they can message me through Instagram and send me the pictures of them. I love it. I love the behind the scenes with my... There's a lot of people that don't make YouTube videos or post anything on social media, but they're involved with us behind the scenes, and I love it. Love it. Love it. Here's my 10 for the bottom. You can spread it out a little bit. First 10. This is a cool little charcoal carrier, ain't it? There's a 10 for that side. Alright, spread them around even. Alright, we're 15 minutes in. I wasn't going to show the turn, but because people watch my videos, they may not have seen older ones, or they may not have seen how to do it. So I'm doing a 1-hour cook. I turn a quarter and a quarter every 15 minutes. So I'll show you what I mean by that. So normally, I turn my Dutch a quarter that way. And the lid, and Billy taught me this, you don't pick it up, you turn it a quarter, and that keeps the heat in. I'll do the next two in 15 minutes. I got it, and I don't put it at an hour on my phone timer. I put it at 15 minutes because all of a sudden you forget, and all of a sudden it's been 19 minutes, and you're like, what? 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. I'll be back in 45 minutes to show you the goodness. You'd think we live in Galveston. It like rains for a little bit every day now and then. That ain't a bad thing. It makes it muggy around here though. These smelling awesome. It's my time to flip them the second time. Turn them. Turn them, not flip them. Yeah, I'm running around here and I left the top coal. I pulled this off and I left the top coals on it, and it kind of cooked a tad more on top than I wanted to because I was running around here. Yeah. Alright, so here comes the reveal. Let's just zoom you in on the reveal. There we go. Yeah, like I said, I should have dumped the top coals off when I pulled it off. I was going around getting stuff put together. Alright, I'm going to get a little bit of this goodness out of here, and we're going to see what it looks like. You know, it's a little brown on top. Oh, ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Check that out. Alright folks, yeah, I'm taking too long. My ice cream melted, it's so hot. Let's see what we do. Hot, hot. Let's do it real hot. Mix some ice cream with it. I love how the cake mix being done a different way. This, I like cobbler better than cake. Yeah. Make it. Come back and tell me how yours turned out. Alright, again, this is a collab with Billy and Rhonda, or Billy or whoever's going to be in it, over at Strong's Adventures, and Calvin over at Calvin's Corner 72. Alright, and I'm also going to leave a link to AB. Ooh, that nutmeg. That's what we have for you. We're all going to have different kind of cooks. but I guarantee you they're all gonna be mouth-watering. Go check my friends out. Tell them I sent you if you don't know them. All right, here we go again. Papa's Kitchen. Subscribe and leave me a comment. Hit that bell. We're going inside. We've been making pork loin, corn on the cob, and she's got something else in there and a salad. I'm gonna go eat. Well, I'm gonna finish this first, and then I'm gonna eat dinner, and then I'm gonna eat one of these again. That's right. Hope you enjoyed it. God bless. Have a great week. Oh, this is coming out July 3rd. Y'all have an awesome July 4th. All right. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. Papa's Kitchen. See ya.